Hey there, future trading titans! Welcome to the thrilling and dynamic world of trading, where fortunes are made and lost in the blink of an eye. Want to learn how to make money in the stock market? Whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience, this journey is for everyone. You've come to the right place. We're here to guide you through the ups and downs of trading. Trading is like a thrilling roller coaster ride. It's full of excitement, anticipation, and sometimes a bit of fear. It's all about buying and selling stocks, bonds, and other cool stuff to make a profit. The key is to understand the market trends and make informed decisions. Just like riding a roller coaster, you need to know the rules before you hop on. Preparation and knowledge are your safety harnesses in this adventure. Trading can be a great way to grow your money over time. It's a journey of patience and strategy. It's like planting a seed and watching it blossom into a beautiful tree. With the right care, your investments can flourish. But remember, just like a tree, trading needs care, attention, and a bit of luck to flourish. Consistent effort and learning are crucial. So, are you ready to dive into the exciting world of trading? It's a world full of opportunities and challenges. Buckle up because we're about to embark on an incredible adventure together. Get ready for an exhilarating ride. Let's get this trading party started. The excitement is just beginning. Trading might seem scary at first. Don't worry. Every expert was once a beginner. We'll break it down into easy steps. You'll learn everything you need to know, one step at a time. Soon, you'll be trading like a pro. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know, the more confident you'll become. The more you learn about trading, the better prepared you'll be to make smart decisions and rake in those profits. Let's embark on this journey together and unlock the secrets of successful trading. Welcome to Trading 101. First things first, let's learn some basic trading lingo. Don't worry, it's not rocket science. We'll keep it super simple. Stocks are like little pieces of big companies. When you buy a stock, you're buying a tiny slice of ownership in that company. Pretty cool, right? Bonds are like loans you give to the government or companies. They pay you back with interest. It's like lending money to your friend and getting a little extra back. ETFs are like baskets of stocks. They let you invest in a bunch of companies at once. It's like having a variety pack of your favorite snacks. Indices are like scoreboards for the stock market. They track how well groups of stocks are doing. Think of it like checking the score of your favorite sports team. Every trader needs a trusty toolkit. These tools are essential for navigating the complex world of trading. Think of these resources as your secret weapons for trading success. They can give you the edge you need to make informed decisions. First up, we have Investopedia. This website is a treasure trove of information. It's like the Google of trading. You can search for any term or concept and get detailed explanations. You can find answers to almost any trading question there. It's an invaluable resource for both beginners and experienced traders. Next, let's talk about online courses. These courses are designed to teach you everything you need to know. They're like trading boot camps. You get intensive training and hands-on experience. You'll learn everything from basic concepts to advanced strategies. These courses are structured to build your knowledge step by step. And the best part? You can learn from the comfort of your own home. No need to commute or adhere to a strict schedule. Demo accounts are like practice arenas for traders. They provide a risk-free environment to hone your skills. They let you trade with fake money so you can get the hang of things without risking your hard-earned cash. It's a great way to build confidence. It's like playing a video game before the real game starts. You get to practice strategies and see how they play out. Paper trading is another great way to practice. It allows you to simulate trades without any financial risk. It's like keeping a trading diary. You can record your trades and analyze your performance. You track your trades on paper to see how you would have done if you had used real money. This helps you refine your strategies and improve your skills. Every successful trader needs a solid game plan. Without a well-thought-out strategy, it's easy to get lost in the fast-paced world of trading. That's where your trading plan comes in. It's your blueprint for navigating the market. Think of it like a roadmap to trading success. It guides you through the ups and downs. First, you need to set some goals. Clear, achievable goals give you direction and purpose. What do you want to achieve with your trading? Is it financial independence or something else? Do you want to grow your wealth for retirement? Planning for the future is crucial, or maybe you want to make some extra cash for a dream vacation. Everyone has different motivations. Once you know your goals, you need to choose a trading style that suits your personality. This is key to staying consistent. Are you a risk taker who loves the thrill of the trade? High risk, high reward strategies might be for you. Or do you prefer a more laid-back approach? Maybe a conservative strategy fits better. There are tons of trading styles out there, so do your research and find one that feels right for you. It's all about finding your comfort zone. Now let's talk about risk management. This is super important. Without it, you could lose more than you can afford. Trading always involves some risk. It's part of the game. But don't worry, there are ways to manage it. You can protect yourself. One way is to set stop-loss orders. These are essential tools for any trader. These are like safety nets that automatically sell your stocks if they start to lose value. They help you limit your losses and protect your investments. Here are some bonus tips to help you become a trading superstar. First and foremost, start small. Don't go all in with your life savings right away. Dip your toes in the water gradually and increase your investments as you gain experience. Next up, manage your emotions. Trading can be an emotional roller coaster. 1 minute you're up, the next minute you're down. Don't let your emotions cloud your judgment. Stick to your trading plan and make rational decisions. Last but not least, don't be afraid to ask for help. Trading can be confusing, especially when you're just starting out. Don't be afraid to reach out to a financial advisor or a more experienced trader for guidance. Remember, even the best traders had to start somewhere, so go out there, be bold and start trading like a boss. And always remember, the sky's the limit.